The Democratic Alliance's federal chairperson, Helen Zille, recently disclosed the party's alignment with business interests in navigating South Africa's political landscape. Zille revealed that the DA was urged by business stakeholders to support President Cyril Ramaphosa in countering the influence of the economic freedom fighters, whom they regard as destabilizing forces in government. The DA has expressed grave concerns over the presence of the EFF and Umkhonto party in government, referring to them as potentially dangerous for the country's stability. The Democratic Alliance argued that their influence could lead to disastrous economic outcomes. The DA leaders believe these groups' policies could drive away investors and cripple South Africa's economy, with the EFF led by Julius Malema and Umkhonto party led by former President Jacob Zuma, making substantial gains in recent elections. The DA claims this rise represents a significant threat to the nation's business climate. Following the elections on May 29, which stripped the African National Congress of its outright majority, a coalition government was formed, including the DA as part of the Government of National Unity led by the ANC. Although the DA entered the coalition, their reservations about the EFF and Umkhonto party remain firm, as Zille confirmed in her speech to the SA Chamber of Commerce UK. She said, "Most of the business community wanted us to prop up Cyril Ramaphosa and protect him from the EFF and Umkhonto party. This is what they wanted us to do." The alliance, however, has not come without backlash. The GNU has received criticism from various ANC allies and community voices, who view cooperation with the DA as a betrayal of a black South African's interest. The South African Communist Party General Secretary Solly Mapaila was vocal in his opposition, stating that the DA historically has not prioritized black South African communities. Mapaila believes the DA's agenda will continue to sideline critical issues for black South Africans. In addition, economic concerns from institutions such as the ratings agency Fitch have compounded anxieties around the coalition. The agency has warned that any government coalition involving both the ANC and these polarizing parties, EFF and Umkhonto party, could pose a risk to the country's macroeconomic stability. Despite criticism, coalition leaders, including the ANC, have recently reflected on the GNU's progress over its first 100 days. While some have expressed satisfaction with the coalition's achievements, others remain skeptical about its future and the potential consequences for the South Africa's economy and social equity. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.